So today we are spending a sunny early spring day with my boys Kenji, who's 2.5 years old, and Ulysses, who's not quite 2 years old. It's an action-packed day. We go to the pet store and test a tough toy to annihilation, end up on an unexpected adventure with the fellows trying to find fish and chips on the beach, and go through a training tip like last time. It's an action-packed day. Welcome to the Corso Bros farm life. Let's go. Are you ready for an action-packed day? Hi, Yuli. Naughty, cuddly boy. Hi, Kenji. So, the first stop is the pet store to find a toy to destroy. Let's see who the unlucky toy is today. We find a space gorilla. Sorry, space gorilla. Kenji gets a treat, although he's not a fan of processed treats. My dogs have been on Whole Foods their entire lives, so they don't actually like processed stuff. We will destroy the toy later in the video. Let me know in the comments how long you think it'll last. The last tough toy we got was destroyed in about 45 mins. Anyway, next stop we head to the beach for some fish and chips, and we end up lost in the mountains. Clear with the view. Yeah. Almost there. That view, it's worth it. Whew. Uh-oh. Gonna have to find another way around. That sucks. What? Cut up that way. Let's go. Let's keep going forward. You sure this is the right way though, Frodo? Are you sure? There's a big ass tree and Ulysses help us navigate a path through the treacherous wilderness to get to Gondor, to get to Mordor. Oh, you get up. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, it's useful to have a tow vehicle, you know, with the fellowship of the boys, fellowship of the ring. Wait, barbed wire, watch out, barbed wire, whoa. Which way's the path, huh? Oh, Ulysses the Grey. Come on then. Alright boys, wait. Stuck by some brambles. Ah. My glutes are on fire. Hi Kenj. So we finally find the path and get back on track. Luckily we have two 4x4 dogs to pull us through. We arrive at the beach and get our fish and chips fuel stop. Yay! We just made it to the beach, boys, didn't we? Woo! You like the beach, Yuli? We're doing a quick fish and chips break. Alright, boys. A lovely big old sausage. Sausage. After our fish and chips refuel, we take the beach way back as the tide has gone out and it's much easier to walk. We head home for some toy destruction, training tips and feeding time. You're tired, huh? Hey, 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 not in his crate, please, young man. It is the Hoover attachment. Hey, don't go into his crate. That's not your bed. Okay, that's rude. That's bad behavior. That's bad manners. Right, here we go. Back home with a new toy, a new tough toy to test. It does actually say on the thing that it's rough and tough, let's play, shake and tug, soft and strong toys, behaviourist approved. Right. Okay, well, you know, I think I'll give this literally zero chance of getting past half an hour. Should we find out? Huh? 3, 2, 1, get it! Here we go. It's gonna get destroyed. Oh, is that okay, guys? How's Toy Toy? How's Captain Spaceman, whatever it is? Let's have a look, shall we? Leave it. Yeah, that's not good. Hey, Ulysses. Sit. Sit. Let's have a look. It's been 5 minutes. And we are already... Yeah, no, that's not good. Go on then. That poor toy is getting annihilated. Uh-oh. It's been about 15 minutes now, Vance. 20 minutes, huh? How's Spaceman looking? How's Space Gorilla looking? Alright. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Leave it! Nose is ripped off. Come on, big boys. Yeah! Well, it looks like Space Gorilla is destroyed, huh? Look at that. Oh dear. Yep, lasted about 20 minutes. Rough and tough, not so tough. So today's training tip is a continuation from last time's training tip, which is being their access to their resources and they have to please you. We'll continue that from today. Just another quick one. So obviously they want to play now, their toy is here and they're in their beds in their sort of safe zone, their reset zone, and they're being good, so they're allowed to play. Boys, get it! Go on, good boys. Go on, get it. Good. So allow him to play for a sec. Good. Now, what we do is mid-play, they're having a fun time, they need to listen to me. Boys, come here. Come here, leave it. Ulysses, leave it. Let's sit. Sit. Boys. Go bed. Go bed. Go bed. Good boys. Now sit. Kenji, sit. Well done. So, a break and play, a little reset. That's very good behavior. They've done my command. So now you can continue to let them play. So that command to stop, to leave it, to go back to bed, to sit, that's the command they must follow, and they've done that well, so they get to play again. Come on then, go get it. Good boy, go get it. Good boys. There you go. Cane Corso training tip number 2. There we go. Boy. Beauty. What's that? Toy? What's that? What's that? What's that? Kenji? You tired? No. What's this guy doing? You tired as well? Well, that just about wraps it up for the day. Thank you for being here till the end. Remember to treat others how you want to be treated. Stay positive, keep going, and we will see you in the next video.